Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create this creepy look for horror theme in Dresden Press without VIP. Okay, let's get into it guys. This is for the outfit. First of all guys, for the hair, you can choose this hair and then you're going to color it like this. Color it with this color and also this color and combine it with this hair, make it red. And this bangs, make it this color. And also this bang, make it the same color. And this short hair, make it this color. And then you're going to put on this mask. And then for the mask, you're going to apply this pattern. Okay, and then combine it with this eye mask. You're going to apply this same pattern, this one. Okay, and then I'm going to go to this area and I'm going to put on this top, and then for this top I'm going to apply this pattern, and then I'm going to go to this area and then I'm going to put on this item and I'm going to make it this pattern. Okay, and then the next one I'm going to select this butterfly top and then we're going to choose classic and apply this color. Okay, and then I'm going to go to this area. I'm going to put on this item, this skirt I mean, and we're going to color it red, and this one make it red. Okay, and then I'm going to go to the dressing room, and then I'm going to go to the curves item, and then we're going to put on wait, it's still loading. You're going to put on this dress, and then I'm going to remove the chains and apply this pattern for the first selection and also second selection and third selection. Okay, and I'm going to go to this menu. Then we're going to put on this skirt, apply this pattern for the first selection and also the second selection, and for the third selection we're going to make it red, and also for the fourth and fifth selection. All right, and then I'm going to go back to the curves item and I'm going to put on wait guys, this shirt. I'm going to make it smooth and I'm going to make it this color. Okay, and then I'm going to select this item. We can choose toggle 4 and then I'm going to make it red. Okay, and I'm going to oops, sorry guys, I think I put on the wrong item. I mean not this one. And then I'm going to go back to this area. Wait, what I mean is the sleeves. Sorry guys, my bad. You can put on the sleeves and then you're going to apply this pattern. Okay, and then I'm going to put on the knife. Wait, right here, put on this knife and then I'm going to make it high and then I'm going to apply this pattern for the bloody effect. Oops, sorry. Okay, apply this pattern to create bloody effect. All right, and finally you will have this look. Okay guys, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.